Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a famous tourist place of Chittagong, which is Chittagong War Cemetery. Now I'm jumping into the location of the place. It's situated in the southern part of the city near the Institute of Fine Arts, University of Chittagong. During World War II, Chittagong, a strategic port city, witnessed intense conflict between Allied and Axis forces. The British Commonwealth and Allied troops fought against the Japanese Imperial Army, defending the region from enemy occupation. The Chittagong War Cemetery was established in 1945 to commemorate those who lost their lives during these fierce battles. The Chittagong War Cemetery contains graves of soldiers from different nationalities, including the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and other Commonwealth countries. The cemetery holds the remains of over 700 soldiers, with beautifully manicured lawns and rows of headstones marking the graves. Chittagong War Cemetery serves as a powerful reminder of the profound impact of war and the courage displayed by soldiers during World War II. It stands as a testament to the sacrifices made and the price paid for freedom. As a place of reflection, remembrance, and education, the cemetery preserves history while fostering a sense of gratitude and reverence for those who gave their lives. Chittagong War Cemetery is not only a place of pilgrimage for families and veterans but also a symbol of international cooperation and unity in the face of adversity. Chittagong War Cemetery plays a vital role in preserving the history and heritage of World War II. The meticulously maintained graves and memorials stand as a poignant tribute to the soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice. The Commonwealth War Graves Commission (CWGC) oversees the maintenance and preservation of the cemetery, ensuring that it remains a place of reverence and remembrance. The cemetery also serves as a resource for historical research and education. Visitors can access detailed records of the soldiers buried there, allowing families and researchers to trace their ancestors' history and pay homage to their bravery. Thank you for watching the video. May we never forget the sacrifices made by these soldiers, and may their memories inspire us to build a better and more peaceful future.